So what are the tools you need for a wheel alignment? You need a something like this, a dumpster, something like this, another dumpster. Then what you need is a, what is this called?
That's
I don't know.
That's what you use.
It's some kind of a rope, cheap rope. And what you need at the back, another dumpster, big dumpster. And over here another big dumpster, a little bit smaller one. Hey, Appu, don't touch. And then I did this setup like this. And what are the other tools you need? Just in case you need a measuring tape.
Oh, what is that?
Most of the time you don't need, but yeah, you might need, because this gap here, you need to measure that. So the gap between the tire and the rope here, that's what I'm measuring. And also make sure that he's lifted up the car and put it on a jack stand or something, so your wheel's not touching the ground. Make sure the steering is straight. Like, just start the vehicle and just make sure the steering is straight. Okay. And then you need I'm using actually 2 adjustable scanners. I have one small one and then
one big one,
channel lock player, and another bigger adjustable wrench, and I used it to loosen this nut here. So I used a big wrench here and small wrench here. I removed the ring from the boot to this side, so when I'm turning this, the boot doesn't turn or twist and rip off. And right now I'm making sure that my wheels are getting straight with this rope here. And it looks like my rear end of the wheel is almost touching the rope, but the front is not. So I'm going to turn it a bit more to make the wheel come out a little more. Yeah.
How much minutes did you take the video?
I'm still taking the video.
What?
Okay, so it's pretty close. Now both sides not touching, so I have to just measure with the measuring tape against the wheel or the rims, the front or back, to make sure it's the same distance. And I have to do the same on the other side. So the inner tie rod on this side also, I already loosened the nut, and I have to remove the clip now, and then I will turn this to make sure I have same distance at the back and the front of the wheel. So that's my cheapest method, or it works for me, because the other day I changed my inner tie rod and the outer tie rod end. So I didn't do any alignment then, but when I was driving, I was seeing that my steering wheel is getting pulled to one side, and when I'm going straight, it's not straight. My steering wheel is a bit towards the right, or is it right? I think yeah, it was towards the right. But anyway, this method works for me. Okay, so right now I'm test driving it, and yes, steering is straight and vehicle is going straight. So yeah, success. Yeah.